What's going on, guys? Charlie here. In this short quick video, I wanted to go ahead and update you guys on my traffic power line. So as you can see, I'm here in my back office. Okay, total earned 780, right? Unpaid members 1. But as you can see, the system works. It's generating results. Even though I don't have any active members as of yet, I'm still able to generate $7.80. Okay. What I also want to do is I want to show you. So you got this lead capture page affiliate link right here on the bottom, and then you have your follow-up link right here too. There's another link that I want to share with you guys here. So the one you see right here on the sticky note, it says mytrafficpowerline.com/ID and then the equal sign and then your username. Okay, so let's say if once we copy this, we'll go to a different tab right here. Let's open it up. Right, it's going to take them to this page where it's going to show them the video presentation. All right, and if they scroll right here at the bottom, okay, they could either choose the monthly, the $20 per month plan, or the yearly plan as well, whichever one. And then they can scroll right here down and get informed on all the benefits and everything like that that my traffic power line provides. Right, this is super cool. What I also did is I got a capture page that I put together. So this is another video that I put together. So it says get flooded with super hot leads that turn into buyers. All right, so I created this page with the conversion pros, and I left that link right below to this video as well. And I also left the share code to this page, so in case you guys want to use it, put your own video on here instead of using mine. That way you guys could stand out from the crowd and be more unique than the top earners. Okay, so basically you just take the share code. If you go back to part 2 of this review, you'll be able to see exactly how I put a page like this together. So all you have to do is put in your video right there, and make sure you put your affiliate link, the one we just mentioned earlier, to redirect to that other page. So once people fill this out, they'll watch your video. Right, this video is only like less than 60 seconds. They'll fill out this form, they'll click on the take the free tour, and then they're gonna land on the presentation video right here. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys quickly. So again, the link to the other affiliate, or to this same page that you're on right here, it's mytrafficpowerline.com/ID and then the equal sign and then your username as well. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.